Okie doke, boss. So here we are, mill end, and it is rally day for us. We're having a little bit of a testing session of the rally cars we've got on the channel. So what car is it you're running today?
So this is actually one of my favourites. As if you're a regular to the channel, you'll know this is one of my favourites, and it's the Rlaarlo XT. Is it the XTS? Yeah, the XTS Rlaarlo Rally car. Comes with everything you see here. Now I've only ever kind of run it once outside, once inside. So let's see how we're going to get on with it here. So it comes with a 3S battery. You've got all the radio gear in here. Really super smooth shocks. It's a bit dirty because I have used it outside. Comes with a handset. Handset's pretty nice. Got a carbon fibre look about it. You can actually order these from our website. Not from our website, from the link.
Rlaarlo radio as well. They do a really nice one that I've been running now for nearly 2 years. It's actually really good. I'll put a link in the description for that as well.
That's what I meant, not the website. Yeah, the link in the description.
Yeah, link in the description, because they do some nice products. But because we're a racing channel, we don't really suit all their bashers and their buggies so much. But this car's kind of hit a nerve with us, isn't it? It's like,
it has. And do you know what? I love the way they do things differently. Like that flips up, goes down. There's a clip at the front, and there's also, you've got these kind of like little things here. It has got a gyro in it, which is good because it will make me a better driver. And you can switch the gyro off and on as you see fit. There is a, which one is it on? I think it's channel 5 there. That's your gyro. So if I turn that off, nothing's happening to the tyres. If I turn it on, you can see the tyres slightly, there you go. So it's up to you. And of course there's lights on it and all that kind of stuff, which you can turn on and off via the handset. I can't remember where the light switch is actually.
You're waffling now, just get it on the track.
Oh, it's there. We don't need lights anyway. All right. So we really put this car to the test on the mill end track. Although the mill end track looks relatively simple to get around, it's actually quite challenging to get around it fast. There's lots of little ruts and little bits and pieces that keep you well on your toes. But yeah, this car did not disappoint whatsoever. We really did put it through its paces on the day, and it was absolutely faultless. The gyro setting on the car is a really cool feature that if you are new to RC, you can turn that up and it will guide you in a sense, and it will help you get around. But yeah, super cool, super great car. Well impressed. Alright, so that was great fun going around here. I have got to hire, just make it a bit taller in the old shocks and that. Adjust the ride height is what I meant to say. I forgot to mention the lights on this thing. Every time you brake, it gets a little flame out of the exhaust as well. So yeah, you just make it a bit higher just by adjusting the shocks there. But yeah, great car. If you want one of these, click the link in the description and get yourself one of these. We are going to be holding a Popalong Rally event here at Mill End, so keep up to date with what we're doing. But there you go, the Rlaarlo XTS rally car. Okay, I'm going to just leave you with some previous footage we shot of this car. If you're interested in getting it, like I say, the link is in the description. You won't be disappointed if you get this. It is a slightly different scale than 1/10. Apparently, I mean, it looks the same size to me, but apparently it isn't. It does run a 3S, which you get with it, but you can change that to a 2S if you so wish, and run hard case lipos in there as well if you're going to race the thing. But for me, it's more of a case of having a bit of a laugh with it. It's a really good basher. Super cool car to own as one of my trusted cars that I take out bashing on a regular basis. Anyway, like what you see, as I said, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you on another one.